Hey, what's up, y'all? So today I'm gonna talk to y'all because, you know, my kids ain't here right now, so I got the, you know, freedom to do so. So here's the hair. It just came in this little pink little plastic bag. And this is the hair. It's a straight headband wig, 18-inch. It also came with 2 headbands and a wig cap. So let's get into it. Okay, so first of all, I'll start off by doing my edges. I just used the True Edge and my little edge brush. And I just go over the edges I already had. Ooh, this brush is hard. I feel like it's scraping my forehead. Okay, nothing too fancy, cause they was already laid from yesterday. So I got so many hair reviews to do, y'all. Okay, so now I'm gonna just put my scarf on this. And so here's the hair again. Came in this little plastic bag. Okay. Here's the Velcro. It has 3 combs in the front and 1 in the back. This is like the usual setup for the inside for headband wigs. So this hair is very silky, very pretty. I don't think it's black. I gotta look up what color it is, but this is the hair. And so now I'm just ready to put it on. It's gonna be the quickest install y'all ever seen. All right, so I already have my own wig cap that I've been using. Just put it on my head. Okay. You're gonna stick comb in the back. And stick these combs in the front. See if y'all can see. Okay, and I'm gonna flip my head over and adjust these Velcro straps. Okay, I'm just gonna scoot it back a little bit. You can also fold this band right here back. The thing about straight headband wigs, you gotta make sure that this is not being shown. The headband will probably cover this, but yeah. I might can tuck this in. We're gonna see. Let's see. Yeah, that's a little bit better. And you also might need to do like smaller cornrows for underneath your wig, so your hair won't be like too lumpy, because this is a straight wig. But yeah, I'm about to flat iron it. So this is the hair. Very much pretty. So let's put on these headbands and see how it's looking. So here's the first one. It's really pretty. 10 out of 10, definitely recommend. Like I said, hardly no smell. Hardly no smell. You feel me? You could do a lot of things with this. It's not that thick, but it's not thin either. I had to look on the website and see what density is, but I'll also put it down in the description box below. But this is basically what it's given. it's giving what it's supposed to give. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I would definitely recommend you purchasing this hair. It's very beautiful, very silky, 100% human hair, and super easy to install. You just literally throw it on your head and maybe pass the flat iron through it a couple times, put it on your headband, lay your edges, you good. Like, that's all there is to it. These headband wigs have come in clutch, okay? All right, y'all, please give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. I have way more hair reviews to do. It's not even funny, but yeah. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Her name is Tattooed Curls, and peace.